Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker EDIFIER D32 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store. Then go to the search at the right bottom and click at the search line at the top. But if you have iOS 26, you will have this line at the bottom. Now write EDIFIER, search, and you should install the application what's called EDIFIER Connect, not Connect. Now open it. Hello. And that's it. In the next video I will show you how to add the speaker to the app, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!